Saw there some of the impacts already from this lake effect snow, and it's not over yet. Thanks for joining us here on AccuWeather Weekend. I'm Anna Azallion.
And I'm Melissa Constanzer. We have had feet of snow come down, some spots already picking up more than 3 feet. And the lake effect doesn't even end today. It continues into tomorrow.
And even after that, we're not done with the snow or the cold air, so definitely keep the winter jacket out for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, you'll want it. Let's start you off with a look around the nation because we do have that lake effect snow persisting. That's where a lot of people that are trying to travel today will have some of those headaches. Also, there's kind of a chain of snow. You'll notice 2 pieces here. One here, another piece working its way in from Canada. So these are kind of the quick passing clip systems that come through. For Kansas City, it dumped quite a bit of snow yesterday.
Yeah, and really this is the only thing just about that's going on today. We do have some rain moving into Texas from the Gulf, but otherwise the western half of the country is staying dry and quiet. The cold, though, that's a problem for just about everybody. And it is not going anywhere. Neither is the cold. Take a look at what to expect throughout the week. Multiple surges of Arctic air coming in, leading to temperatures 5 to 15 degrees below historical averages. And take a look at how far south this goes. It's really the eastern half of the country, not just the northeast. So let's talk about exactly what to expect come tomorrow. This is a look at real field temperatures. So what it'll actually feel like when you step outside and are heading to work or school or wherever you might be doing after this holiday weekend. It is an improvement on today. We had a lot more people in that darkest blue category of the 0 to 10 for today. We see more of the 10 to 20 degree real feel for tomorrow, but that is still just bitterly cold. Feels like January, not beginning of December here. And like I said, it's not going anywhere. We're also not done with the snow. So let's take a look at what to expect.
Greenhouse gas emissions have been on the rise for almost 2 centuries, but the world may soon reach a turning point for climate change. It's just one of the stories AccuWeather Senior Director of Forecasting Dan DePodwin and AccuWeather climate expert Brett Anderson are covering in today's Climate in the News segment. Some interesting things there. And of course, in the southeast, it's been an interesting time. We're talking about the chill still sticking around. Hopefully you've got the extra layers on. 46 the high in Nashville today, 55 as you look towards Raleigh. We're doing better than where we were yesterday in a site like Jacksonville as we finally make it back into the 60s again. 64 the high there. As we transition into the overnight for some locations as we head into the late week. So it's just a matter of what spot you're at, what you'll find. Atlanta, Georgia, since I clicked to it, the numbers adjusting Tuesday below average at 59 degrees, and you can see another shot of cooler air for Friday and Saturday. Now we are seeing it's time to take a look at your weekend outlook because we know some of you are still traveling today, maybe trying to do some outdoor activities. Orlando should be in the mid-70s. We're still a touch on the cool side, but not a bad day here. New York City also a little cool.
Well, thanks for sticking with us here on AccuWeather Weekend. The 2024 Atlantic hurricane season officially has ended this weekend. Well, in the southeast, now that the hurricane season is over, we're already talking about colder air moving in, which I know can have some impacts on these communities still recovering from some of this year's hurricanes. Now, we do have this area of high pressure keeping us dry, but the cold air, that is just going to continue to be a problem. Take a look at temperatures for today. Heavier coat as you start to head out to school or work or wherever you may be headed for your Monday morning. This cold is sticking with us for quite a few days here. Now, to this, plan on. Well, New Jersey, just like the southeast, dealing with the cold right now. But let's talk about the south central U.S. because some of that chillier air is moving east. Dry and mild air starting to move in, but rain is really going to be the headline for the next couple of days here. Take a look. We have this Gulf moisture moving in, bringing rain Monday and Tuesday. And this is actually going to be enough that it could have some visibility impact. So especially something to keep in mind for your Monday morning commute. Now, the other thing to talk about is the temperatures. Let's take a look at what to expect for the week. Dallas hanging out in